Coming spring high, and it's pushing all over into this marine lagoon, and look how beautiful the watercolors is here today. It's incredible. There must be a lot of marine life that came in here today. Wow, it was worth the effort. Beautiful color line entering the estuary mouth. Although the water at the estuary mouth is clean, it diverts the Mfolozi River to push into the estuary system. So it's basically fresh muddy water that comes into the system.